Welcome back to the channel. For any of you that are new here, my name's Rex, and I'm a first-year medical student at Duke University. Not a doctor yet by any means. And the free stuff keeps on rolling. Most of this stuff courtesy of the current pandemic situation that's going on. Okay, so another bag of goodies. I know that there's a mask in here, and then I was handed a t-shirt that I threw in here on the way out. So it's my first t-shirt. I was expecting that last time I was unboxing stuff, but now we have the t-shirt. So I'll grab the t-shirt right away to start off. Here we go, classic medical school swag. We got Duke on this side, and a lot of different words, community research, all that good stuff in the shape of a heart. And so that's really nice, and we got that for us. So I'll wear that at some point. I don't see myself wearing a t-shirt anytime soon, that wearing that out and about, because I'm not going anywhere besides to class a couple times, and so I don't want to be wearing that in class. I'll probably be wearing something slightly more professional, something like this, but who knows, maybe there'll be a time when we all get together and wear our t-shirts for a photo op. And so next we have a bag inside of a bag. So this is a Supima cotton face mask. I like my Banana Republic Supima cotton t-shirts, that's for sure. And so we'll give one of these a quick try on, because why not? Seems like the classic basic mask. Adjustable straps, that's nice. And there we go. I'm ready for class, I guess. But I assume if we wear these, I think the rule was if we're at all near patients, we have to wear one of the actual the actual like paper style masks. I have one lying around. One of these masks, we have to wear one of these if we see patients. But if we're just around campus and in class, we can wear one of these just fine. So I'm sure I'll wear this at some point. I might deliberately wear this whenever I go back onto UNC's campus, even if I get some looks. We'll see. So we got at least a couple of these. So we got two more of those, so we can not wear them the same day back to back. And then these are just guides on symptom monitoring. If we feel sick, wearing a mask, wash your hands, physical distancing, symptom monitoring. I hope you're all doing that, even if you're not in medical school or not a health professional. Everyone should be doing these great things that we need to be doing as a country. And then, all right, nice and quick. So quick video today. So this last thing is what I actually heard about these in the group message. So they thought these were just a poster like that, but apparently this is supposed to serve as a placemat for eating in a public space. Definitely still looks like a poster to me, and people in the group message could be wrong or could be just joking around, but allegedly that's what word on the street is. This is a placemat for eating, and so I'm sure plenty of people are going to hang it up, but I'm definitely leaning towards placemat with use mild soap to clean. I don't know if you ever see that on many posters. At least I've never seen that on a poster. So that would make sense that this is to be used for food, and it's got plenty reminders, and so we're doing advertisement of good health practices while we're eating. So that's the video for the week. Quick little update. I'm in the middle of my first week. It's awesome. Really chill, relaxing intro that Duke does. I think it's new this year that we do 2 weeks of like clinical immersion before we really get going on the basic science. So I don't really have any homework this week. I don't have any studying to do. And it's so exciting and fulfilling that I'm just here, pass fail, not doing any homework, but I'm in a lot of classes doing pre-work and stuff like that. And I'm just focusing on learning. I don't have to worry about grades or anything like that. And on top of that, I'm learning all of the basic clinical skills, blood pressure, heart rate, CPR, how to interview patients, all of that kind of stuff. And so it's very relevant stuff, which is something is totally new to me, that I'm just excited to go to class every day, excited to wake up and just learn things that are useful. And I hope you guys are excited about something this week if you're starting high school, starting college this week. If you're in med school, graduate school, if you're graduated, hopefully you're excited for work, that you're still learning, engaging, and ready to contribute in some positive way. But until I see you again, that's all I got for you today. Questions, comments, concerns, I'd love to hear about them down below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to join me on this journey. Until next time, don't be ordinary, go be great.